Welcome to SolidCAM University. In this video, we'll begin a series of videos on the HSR, HSM constraint boundary options. In both those toolpaths, you are using a constraint boundary or some sort of a sketch to limit the travel of the tool along this 3D toolpath. To begin, we'll talk about the created automatically section, and we'll start with the first option, auto created box of target geometry. So if we take a look at my part on the right side here, I've defined a target solid and I have a stock definition. In this case, the 3D model, but yours could also be the box definition or any of the other options that you have in the stock definition. And you can review those in on our YouTube channel series. But in this video, we'll be talking about created automatically, auto created from target geometry. And if we take a look at this from the top view, the target geometry, if I just auto-generate that from here, I'll click Show, and you can see that it gives me a box definition, a rectangular profile, giving me the limits of the outside of the part. So that will limit the travel of the tool to only inside of that green rectangle, and that is based off of the outside edge of the part. So regardless of the shape of your part, even if there are undercuts, this is going to be the flush edges on each side, and also giving you that corner there. So it's a very basic definition for the boundary condition. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel where we cover the other automatic features.